students, today we will discuss about the covalent bonding. Now, what is a covalent bond? A covalent bond is simply a bond formed by sharing of electrons between the atoms of the molecule. Covalent bond is shown by different elements like carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Hydrogen also shows covalent bonding. We all know that every element has the tendency to attain a noble gas configuration. Now, we will take the case of carbon. Carbon has atomic number 6 and its electronic configuration is 2, 4. Now, carbon has 4 valence electron in its outermost shell. To attain the noble gas configuration, carbon has to gain 4 electrons or can lose 4 electrons. First case is if carbon gain 4 electrons. So it can become C4 negative. If it gains 4 electron, then it will be very difficult for the nucleus of the carbon atom to hold 10 electrons and 6 protons. So this case is not possible. Now, if carbon will lose 4 electrons, then it can become carbon 4 positive. But here also the nucleus of carbon atom, it is very difficult to hold 6 protons and only 2 electrons. So this case is also dismissed. The only case of the carbon to attain the noble gas configuration is by sharing the electrons. Carbon share its electrons with the other elements or carbon itself to attain the noble gas configuration. It can share the electron with the help of a single bond, a double bond, or a triple bond. Here we will discuss the case of the single bond. We will discuss here the case of CH4 methane. Now, here carbon has atomic number 6 and hydrogen has atomic number 1. Carbon, the electronic configuration is 2, 1 and hydrogen has configuration 1. Here is carbon C. We will represent the 4 valence electrons of the carbon by dots. These are the 4 valence electrons of the carbon and here it is H4, means to satisfy the 4 electrons of the carbon we have to apply 4 hydrogen here. Hydrogen has only 1 valence electron, so 1 hydrogen is applied here, second is here. The valence electron of hydrogen is represented by a cross. Third hydrogen is here and fourth hydrogen is here. Now, we will see how carbon attain its noble gas configuration. Carbon, it has 4 electrons here. It shares 4 electrons of hydrogen with it. This and this. So the total number of electrons become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We can circle it to show the configuration. Now, for hydrogen, hydrogen has only 1 valence electron, so it needs 1 more electron to complete its shell. So this electron of hydrogen will have this electron of carbon to complete the shell. This becomes the complete shell of hydrogen, and this hydrogen will share this electron of carbon to complete the shell. This hydrogen will share this electron and this hydrogen will share this electron. In this way, the carbon will have the fully filled electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Its shell is full. And this hydrogen also has the fully filled shell. This also has fully filled shell. This also and this also. Similarly, we can also show it by the bonding. Bond is simply the two electrons. We can join it and this is the bond. So these are the two electrons. A bond is formed between carbon and hydrogen here. A bond is formed between carbon and hydrogen here. A bond is formed between this and a bond is formed between this. This is CH4 molecule. In this way, the bonding takes place in the carbon. Carbon can also make double and triple bond. This is the single bonding in carbon, which is of methane. Hope you like the video. Thank you.